friends, welcome to Navneet Spice Magic. Today I am going to prepare an authentic Karnataka dish which is called Nuchine Unde along with Majjige Huli. These pair up so well that it makes a complete meal loaded with proteins, vitamins and minerals, and people who avoid carbs, this is the wholesome meal which is steamed. It can be eaten as breakfast or lunch. Let's start. So for Nuchin Unde preparation, I am taking 3 lentils today. You can take even one variety. It's up to you. So I am taking all the 3 lentils today. Moong dal 1 cup. Chana dal 1 cup. Tuar dal 1 cup. We need to soak this at least for around 2 to 3 hours. So this has been soaking for 3 hours. Now this is ready. I have drained out the water completely. We need to grind this now. So along with the dal, we need to add these and grind them. Cumin seeds, salt to taste, few curry leaves, green chili and a small piece of ginger. First we'll grind this into paste. Now this is done. Now we'll take these lentils, and we have to grind it coarsely, not to smooth paste. So now this is done. We'll transfer it into the bowl. So the other ingredients that are required to make this unde are salt to taste, hing, turmeric powder. These are dill leaves, sabbakki soppu. This is really rich in lot of nutrients. It has got lot of vitamin C in it, and now during corona time, vitamin C is very much required to build your immunity. So you need to eat this very frequently. It has got lot of vitamin C in that. It is really good for even kidneys as well. Fresh coconut grated, coriander leaves. We need to add coconut, fresh coconut. The quantity depends on how much you like, how much ever you want, you can add into this. The leaves, sabbakki soppu, coriander. You can even add any other green veggies also if you like. Turmeric powder. This is hing, and hing is must because you are eating so many lentils. You shouldn't get that gastric problem, so to avoid that you need to add hing into that. Salt to taste. Now we have to mix it properly. So now this is done. We'll see the next process. Today I'm going to steam it in a idli stand. I'll just grease it little with oil so that it doesn't get stuck. So you can steam it in anything, like either in a plate or a bowl. It is up to you. So we are going to make these into this shape. It is up to you. You can even make round, but usually the authentic style is like they make in this shape. Make all in this way. Now this is done, so we will steam it now. Now the water started boiling, so we'll keep the stand inside this, cover the lid and steam it for 8 minutes on medium flame and 3 minutes on slow flame. Now it's been 11 minutes, so this is done. We'll transfer this into a bowl. First, let's see the preparation of Majjige Huli. For that, we need soaked chana dal. I have taken 1 tablespoon. Little coconut, fresh coconut. Half teaspoon of dhania, coriander seeds. Half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Half teaspoon of peppercorns, and a small half an inch of ginger. few green chilies according to your taste. And then we have to add salt to this and grind it into a paste. And the veggies which we are taking in this are, I've taken 1 carrot chopped into small pieces, shallots. If you don't have shallots, you can take bigger pieces of 1 onion, tomato, 1 tomato I have taken. This is zucchini, I have taken 1 zucchini. You can take any vegetables you like. These are the vegetables I will be doing it today. And you need buttermilk. So I have taken a vessel. We need to add these veggies into this. First we need to boil these veggies. So I am adding all the veggies into this. I'll add some water, required water. So I'll turn on the stove. I'll allow this to boil till the vegetables boil completely. So I'll just cover it and allow it to boil. So by the time the veggies get cooked, so we'll add little salt to this whatever we have taken and grind it into paste and keep it ready. Now we have grinded it, so this is done. See, the veggies are boiled now. So we'll add this chana dal and coconut paste whatever we have made and allow it to boil for 2 minutes along with the veggies. Once it gets boiled, then we'll add buttermilk into it. Now this started to boil, so now we'll add buttermilk and adjust the consistency how much you want. Okay, let it boil along with the buttermilk now. Now for seasoning the majjige huli, we need crushed garlic, 2 pods I have taken, little cumin seeds, little mustard seeds, curry leaves and red chilies. Let's heat a kadai. I'll add little oil. We'll add cumin seeds, mustard seeds, red chili and curry leaves, add crushed garlic, saute it till it becomes little brown. Now we'll add this to the majjige huli. Such an awesome and tempting aroma I am getting. Now this is done. We'll keep it aside. Our healthy and tasty nuchine unde and majjige huli, which are loaded with lentils, vegetables, lots of greens, coconut, making it a wholesome meal providing all the required nutrients. I hope you like my video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.